Hello friends. So today I will be explaining about accident investigation. First of all, I will start with what is it. Accident investigation is the process of determining the root causes of accidents which may occur on the site. Sometimes there may occur injuries. Sometimes it may cause the property damages and whatever so. And we should take necessary steps to prevent them from occurring again. So next is, why is it important? Accident investigation will help us to know the real cause of why something happened, and also it will help us to prevent it from future occurrings. Accident investigation should be done as soon as possible after the incident has occurred, so everyone's mind will be fresh and they will be knowing what has really happened at the time of incident. So here I am showing an sample accident investigation report. In this, first we have to write the name of the site, then date and time at which it has occurred, and the place of the accident. For example, if it has occurred in the yard, then we have to write yard, storage yard. Otherwise, sometimes it may occur on the ground floor, and the place we have to describe at there. And the next is whom the accident was reported by, and the next one is the details of person who met with the accident. His personal details like age, gender, address, and the name of the contractor under which he was working. And the next is details of the first aid given. For example, if the first aid given was like ointment, we have to write like that. He may met with some sprain, so we have given some spray, Volini or something like that. Then the next is type of accident. There are many type of accident which are commonly occurring in the construction site, like crane or hoist accidents, falls from height, repetitive stress injuries, gas leaks, etc. like that. So we have to write which type of accident has occurred. And the next is accident description. Accident description means how it has happened, what were he doing at the time of accident, in what condition he was working, whether he was working with a proper PPE kit or not. Like that, we have to describe in the accident description. And next is hospital and treatment details, whether he was hospitalized for this accident, for this incident. If he was hospitalized, what type of treatment he was getting at the hospital. And the next is root cause. So if you are explaining about the root cause, means what are the main reasons for which the accident has occurred. So we have to write that. For example, if you are taking an electric shock which has occurred to an worker, then sometimes its root cause may be the sometimes the wires used for drilling and other purpose may be laid in the water condition. This may be the root cause. So we have to write like that. And the next is the corrective action. What can we do for preventing this from future occurrence? So we have to write in that the cables which we are using must be properly insulated, and also the wires used for that drilling and other purpose should be laid in the water condition. Like that, we have to explain it. If you guys like my video, just like, subscribe and comment. And I will come up with more videos related to the construction. So stay tuned.